Hey guys, my name is Nain and you are watching N Tech. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do hit that subscribe button, and if you want more of my videos, then press the bell icon. Today I bought this Philips Multi-Groom 7000 series with multi-grooming kit. It has got total of 13 extra arrangement kits for the shaving, grooming and body trimming. Today I will be going to unbox this box and show you what all we get in this box. So let's start. So this is how the box looks from front. It has got the name of the brand in the top left corner and you can see the trimmer itself in the center. You get nothing on the top except the 13 symbol that indicates the 13 adjustment, and on the right you can see the model using that trimmer itself, and on the back you get nothing but all the 13 adjustment with trimmer itself, and at the bottom also we get nothing but just a barcode, which I guess is no use for us. And on the left you get the Philips written on the top and shows some general features of the trimmer. It has got 2 hours of battery life, 100% shower proof, rubber grip and a LED battery indicator. And a price tag, it is priced at 4295 Indian rupees, but I got this trimmer in a much better price. And now let's just unbox this box and let me show you what all we get in this box. To unbox this box you don't require a knife or a cutter. You just need to peel off the plastic lid so that the inner box comes out easily. You can see the box inside. The quality of the box is not as good as expected. Feels like it is made with recycled products. On the top you get lot of paperwork, manual key booklet, warranty card, etc. Keeping all this aside, let's talk about the trimmer itself. So this is the trimmer. Let me remove it from the plastic and show you how it looks. This trimmer is silver in color and it has got power key on the center, and on the bottom you get a charger pin point, and on the top blade itself. Keeping this aside, let me show you some other things we get in the box. This is the charger we get in the box. It is similar to the older chargers. The output of this charger is of 15 watt, which is a fast charger. Now keeping this aside, there are a lot of other arrangements. Let me just remove all of them and show you one by one. So these are some adjustments you get in the box. You get 1mm, 2mm, 3mm blades and continues up to 16mm blades, and you also get an additional blade for body trimming and nose trimming as well. Let me just show you the trimmer itself. You get a sharp blade on top and a power on button on the center, and you get a LED light which indicates white and red color, and on the left bottom you get a Philips branding. On the back you get some information which is I think of no use. Adjustments are very easy to attach and remove as well. You just have to press it upsides with your thumb. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you want more of my videos, then please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.